Well, hello there! Today we're making super fluffy Japanese cream cakes, also known as Hokkaido Chiffon cupcakes. One of you asked me to make these, so here we go. We'll start by separating the egg whites from the egg yolks. Add some sugar to the egg yolks and whisk them together until the mixture becomes light, airy and pale in color. This will take around 5 minutes. Next, add the whole milk and oil. Then give it a quick mix until everything is fully combined. I have some regular flour and cornstarch here, which I'm going to mix together first. The cornstarch helps tenderize the texture and keeps the cakes soft and moist without making them dry. Add the flour mixture to the egg yolk mixture and gently fold it together with a spatula, making sure there are no lumps left. One part is done, so let's move on to the other. Add the egg whites to a completely clean bowl with absolutely no traces of fat or grease in it. Make sure your whisk and stand mixer bowl are cleaned properly too. Beat the egg whites while gradually adding the sugar until stiff peaks form. This should take around 5 minutes. Once that's done, gently fold the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. Take your time here and try to keep as much air in the batter as possible. Line your cupcake tin with paper cups. And just ignore the fact that I'm using Christmas themed ones, well, it's almost summer here. Fill each cup about 3/4 full with the batter. Tap the tray a couple of times to remove any air bubbles. Then bake them in a 160 degrees Celsius oven for around 20 minutes or until the cakes turn golden brown. Definitely try not to overbake them. Once baked, remove them from the tin and let them cool completely on a wire rack. You can leave the paper cups on if you want, but I like removing them so you can see more of the actual cake. Let them cool to room temperature or pop them into the fridge if you want to speed things up. Now for the final step, the whipped cream filling. Add cream to a bowl along with sugar and vanilla. I'm using vanilla paste, but vanilla extract works perfectly fine too. Whip it until stiff peaks form. Then transfer it in a piping bag fitted with a small nozzle. Poke a tiny hole into each cupcake and pipe in the cream. You can literally see the cakes puffing up as they fill. I also like adding a tiny dot of cream on top with a different nozzle to cover the hole we just made. Finally, dust everything with some icing sugar, preferably in slow motion. Let's cut open one and see how it looks.
3, 2, 1!
Man, that looks amazing. Super fluffy, packed with cream and incredibly soft. You can also fill them with a mix of cream and jam, or really anything you like. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see future videos of me and you like this video. And of course, I see you in the next one.